Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Detecting a change of directory while using Python's os.walk method can be useful in various scenarios, especially when you want to perform different actions based on the current directory being traversed. Below is an informative tutorial with a code example to demonstrate how to achieve this. The os.walk method is a powerful tool in Python for traversing directories and processing files. However, there might be situations where you want to detect when the directory being processed changes during the traversal. This tutorial will guide you on how to achieve this using a simple Python script. The process_directory function is called whenever the directory being traversed changes. It prints information about the current directory, subdirectories, and files. The detect_directory_change function is the main function that uses os.walk to traverse the directory tree. It checks for changes in the current directory and calls process_directory accordingly. Replace your _starting directory with the path of the directory from which you want to start the traversal. The script also includes a placeholder for additional processing logic for files within each directory. In this example, it simply prints the names of the files. By using the provided code example, you can easily detect changes in directories while traversing the file system using os.walk in Python. This capability can be valuable when you need to perform specific actions based on the current directory during the traversal process. ChatGPT